Hi people, welcome to my channel. Today you will learn how to park in 90 degrees. First of all, I wanted to suggest that you subscribe to my channel. Here up, I will leave you the playlist with all the driving tutorials that I have done using at it. If you like it, you subscribe to my channel. Many people are afraid to park the vehicle, shopping center, your building, and another situation like the driving test. Today, you will lose your fear with this easy parking technique.
This tactic is useful if it is a large or a small car. And remember that the idea is that you always stay on the right. The first step is to leave a meter away from the car in front of our space. And also slow down when your shoulder is in the middle of the space you choose to park. Second step, turn the whole direction to the opposite side to where you are going to park. So if you park on the right, you are going to move the entire direction of your car to the left. To later move your car with the single clutch. The idea is to move forward until the rear tire of your car is facing the next corner of the car you have next to your parking. But the problem is that you cannot see the rear tire of your car. The idea is to marry the back glass of your car with the corner of the car near the parking place. When that happens, obviously you brake. Step 3. Turn the whole direction to the opposite side to where you had it. Put reverse and then move the car with the single clutch. With the mirrors, you will notice how your car enters, and when you see it straight with respect the lines, you must stop. For there, you straighten your hand round and half, that the logo of your car is straight. And finish your parking.
If you liked this video, give me a like. Don't forget to subscribe and share this video. See you the next time. Bye.